Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I just got my first new keyboard in 5 years, the Razer Ornata Chroma. And right now, I've got it set up with the fire effect. But as we all know, paladins serve the light. Oh, QWERTY. Dude, this is the coolest keyboard. Like, I had a keyboard that lit up before, but I've never had one that had these kind of effects. This is awesome.
This is the best keyboard I've ever had. Mecha Membrane Hybrid. As you can tell, soft click, very soft to the touch, but still has that nice low click sound as a mechanical would have. Not as loud as Blue Cherries. The best wrist rests I've ever had. Magnetized, so it's real easy to move. And then real easy function for the different light settings. I've already got the hang and did a few light settings. And then if we turn the light off and change some of the settings, it's just awesome. But just want to give you all a view, and